Here I've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first let's open the messages, then click on Start Chat, and as you can see currently we have English keyboard, so now let's open the settings, pick System, go to the languages, and click on Virtual Keyboard right here. Then select Gboard and pick Languages then. And now by tapping on Add Keyboard, you can select the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, DOOGEE prepared a wide list of languages, so just pick the language that you would like to have. Then click on Done and smoothly remove the current one by tapping on pen icon, then mark it and select Bin. And as you can see now, you've got new language in your keyboard, so in my case it's Yiddish. And then if you'd like to change it again, just open the settings one more time, go to System, pick Languages, go to Virtual Keyboard, select Gboard, go to Languages, and now Add Keyboard, pick the one that you would like to apply, and remove the current one, the same way as previously. And now as you can see we have English back. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.